In this video, we'll go over how you can activate your Telus SIM card online. Really easy and simple. First things first, you need to go ahead and insert your Telus SIM card, right? So before activating, make sure your Telus SIM card is inserted into your phone. And, if your phone requires a SIM ejector tool, use that to open up that SIM tray. Insert that SIM card properly, and then close the tray, turn on your phone. Now, open up a browser on your phone or computer and go to Telus SIM activation page. This is the exact URL. You can go ahead and use this, right, if you're a prepaid user, or you can go to this plan for postpaid, right? Go ahead there, and then you'll be asked for some information where you enter your details, right? Your SIM card information. So you'll be asked to enter your 19-digit SIM card number. You can find this at the back of your SIM card, and your phone's IMEI number. You just dial *#06# to find it, and your account details like phone number or Telus login credentials. Then you want to go ahead and choose or transfer your number, right? If you're getting a new number, Telus will assign one based on your location. And if you're keeping your existing number, enter your current phone number and follow the transfer instructions. And then, after submitting the details, Telus will process the activation. This usually takes a few minutes, but can take up to 24 hours. And once the activation is complete, restart your phone to connect to the Telus network. Look for the Telus signal bars at the top of your screen, and then you can try making a call or using mobile data to ensure that it's actually working. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.